Hi, Explain Dad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your iOS version on your iPhone. Make sure you stay to the end so you don't miss any of the important steps. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is you go to settings. If you can't find settings, just pull the screen down and type in settings. Then you see the app pop up and then you go to this page. Then scroll down until you see general. So tap on general. And then all the way at the top you see about. If you tap on about, you see the second up above, you see the iOS version 17.0.1, and this is the latest iOS version. And this is how to check your iOS version on iPhone.